Hello, good morning my dear student. Welcome back to Dr. classes. Now, today's our chapter name is mensuration, and from that we will study some important concept from this chapter that are mixed problem. To do mixed problem, you have to apply three different logic or three different concept. First concept is capacity. So whenever word capacity will use, you have to calculate volume of that object. It will be single object or combination of object. Whenever word capacity will come, you have to calculate volume. Now this was easy. Now this two are very important. This second case is known as melting and recasting. Now look at this diagram what I am drawing here. One shape you have cylinder. मेरे पास एक सिलेंडर रॉड था, मैंने उसको किया मेल्ट किया एंड अगेन फॉर्म जो मेल्ट वाला मटेरियल था उससे मैंने फॉर्म किया है कोन. एक सिलेंडर था, मैंने मेल्ट किया एंड फॉर्म कोन. सो दे आस्क यू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ कोन. समथिंग इज गिवन, समथिंग यू हैव टू फाइंड. जब मेल्टिंग रिकास्टिंग आएगा, यू हैव टू यूज वॉल्यूम ऑफ फर्स्ट इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सेकेंड. मतलब वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट बिफोर मेल्टिंग मस्ट बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट आफ्टर रिकास्टिंग. वॉल्यूम रिमेन सेम. नाउ सपोज ये मेल्ट करके मैंने दो बनाए कोन्स, सो इट विल बी वॉल्यूम ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ फर्स्ट कोन प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सेकेंड कोन. गेटिंग दिस? इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस केस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Volume of object 1 is equal to volume of object 2. Now look at this number of object. If I have one bigger cone, मैंने उसको मेल्ट किया and I form small spheres. And the question is, इसको मेल्ट करने के बाद how many spheres will I get? Number of object. How many? How many means what? Number. So number of object. Now in this case, my object is sphere. So number of sphere. अभी मैं यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट लिख रहा हूँ, जनरल फॉर्म है. इन एग्जाम यू हैव टू राइट योर ऑब्जेक्ट, जो कुछ होगा वो. नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिगर अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्मॉलर. नाउ अप्लाई योर कॉमन सेंस. वो बिगर दिस कोन जिसको मैंने मेल्ट किया, सो वहां ऊपर क्या आना चाहिए था? वॉल्यूम ऑफ व्हाट? कोन upon what? Volume of this sphere. And in this case, most of things get cancelled. For example, in this case, अगर ये कोन था तो कोन का वॉल्यूम 1/3 pi r square is. स्पीयर का वॉल्यूम 4/3 pi r cube. Upon 3 cancel, pi cancel. Getting this? How to use this shortcut? Now we will see some based on this concept. Now based on this concept, we will see our first one, and you will easily understand to which concept you have to apply. A solid cylinder of radius 3 cm and height 8 cm is melted and formed. Melted and formed. Form means recast किया मैंने into cone of radius 6. Find height of cone. मेरे पास पहले क्या था? एक cylinder. Dimension of cylinder radius 3. Height 8 is melted and form into what? Cone of radius 6. What you have to calculate? Height. How many पूछा आपको? नहीं, 4 क्वेश्चन पूछा. Melted recasting वाला है. So what is our concept? क्या था? Volume of first object is equal to volume of second object. Now in this case, volume of my first object is what? Cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Just substitute. Volume of cylinder formula is pi. This is my first figure. So write R1 square H1. 1 for first. Is equal to volume of cone 1/3 pi R2 square H2. Volume of cone is 1/3 pi R square H. Now this pi will get cancelled. Same quantities from opposite side will get cancelled. R1 is radius of cylinder, that is 3. So R square is 3 into 3. H1 is height of cylinder, that is 8. 1/3. R2 is this 6 into 6. And H2 I have to calculate. Now 3 ones are 3 twos are. So this is 3 into 3 into 8. I have to calculate this. So this will come here. So this will be 2 into 6 is equal to H2. 2 ones are 2, 4s are. 3 ones are 3, 2s are. 2 ones are 2, 2s are. So 3 2s are 6. H2 is 6. H2 मतलब क्या था? Height of cone. And this is your question. Find height of cone. Is this easy? एक बार concept समझ के लो. This chapter is very easy. Now I'll see one more. Now next sum is a solid sphere of radius 15 centimeter is melted and recast into cone of radius 2.5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Calculate number of cones recast. Getting this word is important. पहले आपको देख के लग रहा था this is melting recasting है, पर नीचे क्या है? Number of cones. पहले मेरे पास क्या था? एक solid sphere. I have melted and formed small cones. So I have to find number of these cones. So we have concept of number of object. मुझे क्या पूछा यहाँ पे? Number of cones. So my object is cone. So number of cones is equal to volume of bigger object. कौन सा bigger है यहाँ पे? Sphere या cone? Sphere जो हम मेल्ट करते हैं. So volume of sphere upon volume of cone. So the volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi. This is my first object. So R1 cube. Cone 1 upon 3 pi R2 square h. Second object, so R2. Getting this? Now upon 3 cancel, pi cancel. So 4 into R1 cube. R1 is radius of sphere. Radius is given 15. So this will be 15 into 15 into 15 upon R2 square. R2 is radius of cone 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5 and height is given as 8. How to do calculation? Shift your points. So 4 into 15 into 15 into 15, 1.2 points. So it will be 100. This is 25, 8. मैंने 2 पॉइंट शिफ्ट कर दिया, so ऊपर 100 ऐड कर दिया. Now this is 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 5s are 25. 25 1s are 25 4s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this is 2 into 3 3s are 9 into 15. 15 2s are 30 into 9. 9 3s are 27. 0 as it is. So number of cones you get as 270. Important thing you have to remember is this units. Now this is centimeter, this is centimeter. चल रहा था. Suppose sometimes they will give this is in millimeter, mm. If you have mm and you want to convert into centimeter, divide this by 10. Mm to centimeter. Getting this? Now I will give you some sums for homework and I am confident that you will do that homework complete till tomorrow's lecture. Thank you.